PASTPERSPECTIVE. Area 51 is a highly classified United States Air Force facility located in the Nevada desert. The facility is officially called the Nevada Test and Training Range, and is used for the testing and development of experimental aircraft and weapons systems. Due to its secretive nature and the fact that it is located in a remote area of the desert, Area 51 has been the subject of numerous conspiracy theories and urban legends, many of which revolve around the belief that the government is hiding evidence of extraterrestrial life and technology at the facility. One of the most popular conspiracy theories associated with Area 51 is that the facility is involved in the study and reverse engineering of extraterrestrial technology and spacecraft. According to this theory, the US government has been secretly working with extraterrestrial beings and has even recovered crashed alien spacecraft, which are now being studied at the facility. Another popular theory is that the US government is testing and developing advanced weapons systems at Area 51, including energy weapons and anti-gravity technology. There have been a few individuals who have claimed to have witnessed activities at Area 51, but their accounts are often difficult to verify and many of them remain unverified. One of the most well-known eyewitnesses of Area 51 is Bob Lazar, who claims to have worked at a facility called S4, located near Area 51, where he says he worked on reverse engineering alien technology. Lazar's claims have been the subject of controversy and skepticism, but he remains a popular figure among UFO enthusiasts. Another eyewitness is former Area 51 employee, Ed Fuchs, who claims to have worked on a secret aerospace program at the facility. Fuchs has also claimed that the US government has been in contact with extraterrestrial beings, and that Area 51 is involved in the development of advanced energy weapons. Another example is the testimony of a former Area 51 employee named Dan Burish, who claimed to have worked on a project to reverse engineer an extraterrestrial biological entity, EBE, at the facility. Burish claimed that the government had made contact with a group of extraterrestrial beings known as the J-Rods, and that the EBE he worked on was a survivor of the Roswell crash in 1947. However, like Lazar, Burish's claims have been heavily criticized, and there is little evidence to support his story. In 1989, a group of hikers in the mountains near Area 51 reported seeing a large, glowing object hovering over the desert. In 1997, a series of lights was seen in the sky over Phoenix, Arizona, which came to be known as the Phoenix Lights. Eyewitnesses described a large, V-shaped object with bright lights that moved slowly and silently over the city before disappearing into the night sky. While the US Air Force initially claimed that the lights were flares from a military exercise, many eyewitnesses and UFO enthusiasts remain convinced that the lights were of extraterrestrial origin. In 2019, a group of tourists visiting the Area 51 perimeter claimed to have seen a group of military vehicles chasing a UFO in the desert. However, there is no concrete evidence to support such claims, and the US government has consistently denied any such presence at the facility. Despite this, the mythology surrounding Area 51 continues to capture the imagination of many people around the world. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.